What is content writing? Content writing is the process of creating written material that is designed to engage and inform a target audience. This type of writing can be used for a variety of purposes, such as marketing, advertising, education, entertainment, and more. Content writers often work on digital platforms such as websites, blogs, social media, and online publications. Effective content writing involves understanding the target audience, researching the topic, organizing information, and creating engaging, high-quality content that is relevant to the reader's interests and needs. Content writers must also have excellent writing skills, including grammar, syntax, and tone, as well as the ability to adapt their style to different types of content and platforms. They may also need to incorporate search engine optimization, SEO, strategies to improve visibility and drive traffic to the content. How to don content writing online? If you want to start doing content writing on Fiverr, here are some steps to get started. Create a Fiverr account. If you don't already have a Fiverr account, sign up for one. It's free and easy to get started. Create a gig. A gig is a service that you offer on Fiverr. Create a gig that specifically describes the content writing services you offer. Be sure to include a detailed description of what you can offer, including any specific skills or experience you have that sets you apart from other content writers. Set your prices. Fiverr allows you to set your own prices for your services. Consider what your time and expertise is worth, and set your prices accordingly. Promote your gig. Once you have your gig set up, it's time to promote it. Share it on social media, with friends and family, and any other networks you have. This will help get the word out and attract potential clients. Deliver high-quality work. When you start getting orders, be sure to deliver high-quality work that meets or exceeds your client's expectations. This will help build your reputation on Fiverr and attract more clients in the future. Communicate effectively. Communication is key when working with clients on Fiverr. Be sure to respond to messages promptly and provide clear and concise communication throughout the project. By following these steps, you can start doing content writing on Fiverr and build a successful freelance career. How to get orders on Fiverr of content writing? Getting orders on Fiverr as a content writer can take some time and effort, but there are several things you can do to increase your chances of getting orders. Optimize your gig. Make sure your gig is well written and includes relevant keywords that people are likely to search for. Use clear and concise language to describe the services you offer, and include examples of your previous work if possible. Promote your gig. Share your gig on social media, forums, and other online platforms where potential clients may be hanging out. You can also reach out to people in your network and ask them to spread the word about your services. Offer a competitive price. Be sure to price your services competitively, taking into account your level of experience and the quality of your work. Consider offering a special introductory rate or package deal to entice new clients. Respond promptly to inquiries. When a potential client contacts you, be sure to respond promptly and professionally. Answer any questions they may have and provide clear and concise information about your services. Deliver high-quality work. Once you get an order, be sure to deliver high-quality work that meets or exceeds your client's expectations. This will help you build a positive reputation on Fiverr and attract more clients in the future. Ask for feedback. After you deliver an order, ask your client to leave feedback on your gig. Positive feedback can help boost your visibility on Fiverr and attract more clients. By following these tips, you can increase your chances of getting orders as a content writer on Fiverr. Remember, building a successful freelance career takes time and effort, but with persistence and hard work, you can achieve your goals. Is it content writing worthy? Content writing can be a worthy career for those who enjoy writing and have the skills to create high-quality content that engages and informs a target audience. Here are some reasons why content writing can be a worthy career. High demand. With the rise of digital marketing, there is a growing demand for high-quality content that can attract and engage potential customers. This means there are plenty of opportunities for content writers to find work and build a successful career. Flexibility. Content writing is a flexible career that can be done from anywhere with an internet connection. This means you can work from home, set your own schedule, and choose the types of projects you want to work on. Creativity. Content writing allows you to be creative and use your writing skills to tell stories, educate, and entertain your readers. This can be a rewarding and fulfilling experience for those who enjoy writing. Learning opportunities. Content writing often involves research and learning about new topics, industries, and trends. This can be a great way to expand your knowledge and develop new skills. Growth potential. As you build your reputation as a content writer and gain more experience, you can command higher rates and take on more challenging projects. This can lead to a fulfilling and lucrative career. Overall, content writing can be a worthy career for those who are passionate about writing and have the skills to create high-quality content. However, like any career, it requires hard work, dedication, and a willingness to learn and grow. If you like my videos, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.